So, Bob, you were talking about you have an employer, they want you to sign a written document, and you had three concerns about it. And so the first one is the document says this is not a contract. I think what they're saying, Bob, is that this is not a promise to keep you employed for a specific period of time. I think that's what they're referring to as a contract. You're still an employee at will.
Absolutely, because this is a right-to-work state.
Yeah. And then another concern is that they want you to sign a non-compete agreement.
That's the one that kills me right there.
Yeah, and Bob, believe it or not, they certainly can make that demand of you. If let's say that they didn't have a long agreement with a bunch of issues and that they put one document in front of you and said this is a non-compete agreement, Bob, they could put that in front of you and say sign it or you're fired.
Awesome. That's kind of what I was thinking, and in a way, just as an employee, I'm going to let you know that I'm not going to sign it, and if they fire me, I'll just go to the next company if they do the same thing. I mean, to me, I'm a tradesman, and my trade is what I do. I can't have somebody say, well, tomorrow if X company hires you, and they put my picture in the paper and say, Bob's working for us now, I don't want anybody coming after me and suing me because I'm working for another employer.
All right. Well, Bob, let me give you just a little bit of further advice, and that is this, is that I refer people to an employment law attorney right here in Orlando. His name is Travis Hollifield. And so what I'm telling you today, I do believe is correct, but if this is important to you, I don't want you to leave this work because, hey, of advice that Tom gave you, which I'm hoping is right, but it's too important just to, rely off my little bit of knowledge about employment law. Travis Hollifield, you may want to take that document and have attorney Travis Hollifield review it for you. Again, he's an employment law attorney right here in Orlando, and that might be some good advice for you, Bob.
Okay, that sounds good.
Right.
And I, I've got a skill set. I'm a hard worker, and I honestly can't see them firing me for something this simple. But if they do, it's their loss.
Okay, good for you. Good for you. Way to go, Bob. Thank you.